is just taking it out of me. By
It
3
should- it
o'clock, I
should
just
be
feel
over
like a dish
soon.
rag.
I don't think it'll last too much longer. I think we're gonna have a wet winter. Should be good.
As long as we don't have snow, I'll be
Yeah,
happy.
as long as it doesn't affect traffic.
Yeah.
Snow and ice. I mean, Seattle people can't even drive with rain, which is the most bizarre thing in the world.
Yeah,
Because-
you think they'd be expert.
Yeah, you would think, but they're not.
You
It's this
think.
weird thing. They can't figure out how to drive in the rain, so. And they're passive aggressive drivers too. They're very funny. Like, okay. Wow, there you go.
See if I can see the moon.
Can you see the moon from here?
Not from here. Oh, you kind of can stand up for right here. Ready?
Oh yeah, it's full moon.
Where, right? Oh, okay.
That one?
that
That would be
that
the one.
moon.
The big bright thing out there.
It's nice and bright.
That was a terrible one.
Surrounding us, that's for sure.
I know as soon as I quit doing this, I'll get one.
A big crack right over the
Yeah.
top of this.
Yeah. Now there's a bunch over that way. Yeah, it's so damp feeling. Smell the rain over there.
Mm.
Oh wow!
There we go.
Did you guys see that one?
Oh,
Heaven
it's like a second. Did you get that one?
Oh yeah.
and me going, oh shit.
Perhaps we should go inside. No, I'm just kidding. I think we're fine under here, but still. I like to sit in my metal chair out where there's lightning strikes happening.
And go hug the fence.
Mm.
You can smell it.
Oh yeah. Smells like
Smells like
electric.
dirt.
It smells electric too, though. Like that coppery smell. There was another one I just got.